Hello everyone, it's 4th November. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page, we have signs of pullback, sharp drop in Russia oil exports to India after US sanctions. Again, very important for economy as well as international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have Delhi sinking fastest among Indian mega cities. Again, very important news. Moving forward, we have what is the plan to curb air pollution? Asks Supreme Court. Again, a very important news for environment perspective. Then we have Israel's foreign minister to meet Jay Shankar today. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have with handle digital arrest cases with iron hand, says Supreme Court. Moving forward, we have 7 years on trial of 2611 terror accused to resume. Both the news are very important. Moving forward, we have the editorial page. The editorial page is always important for examination perspective. The first editorial is an Indian way for G2. Again, very important news. Moving forward, we have RBI isn't getting inflation right. Again, a very important news as for economy perspective. Moving forward, we have the explain page where we have can advocates be summoned by agencies, what SC held. Again, very important for law perspective. Then we have what makes Afghanistan so prone to earthquakes. Very important for environment as well as international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have Pakistan, China testing nukes. Trump justifies newly announced tests. Then we have Israel receives remains of 3 hostages, returns 45 Palestinian bodies. Then we have Ukraine gets more air defense system to counter Russia strikes. Then we have ICC prosecutors probe mass killing in Sudan. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have the economy page where we have removal from Tata Trusts, and then Prime Minister meets exporters, labor intensive sector flag competitiveness concerns. Both these news are very important for economy perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.